Hey guys, quick video for you on how we can factory reset an Nespresso U. So it's super simple. You just want to press and hold the Espresso Lungo button together for at least 4 seconds. Then the other button will flash to confirm the reset, and the LEDs will continue to blink normally as the machine heats up until ready to use. And the steady lights means machine is ready. So this is something that you want to do, and it's pretty simple. So first you're gonna press and hold the Espresso Lungo button for 4 seconds, then the other button will flash to confirm the reset, and the LEDs will continue to blink normally as the machine heats up until ready to use. And the steady lights, that means the machine is ready. So if this is not going to work out, then another thing that you need to do is that you need to reset it in a way that you can unplug it for like 5 to 7 minutes, or even unplug it for the whole night, and maybe that should work. So have a great day and good